Hey you guys, in today's video we're going to be doing some of my favorites from the BET Awards. First up, Miss Cardi B wearing a custom Nicholas Jabran. Next we have Rihanna wearing the one and only Fenty. Next, Victor Cruz and Karrueche Chan wearing House of Holland. Elijah Kelly rocking this custom polka dot suit. Now Fantasia wearing a mini white dress. Jacob Lattimore wearing gray scholastic. Now we have Amanda Seales wearing Falled Sarkarkas. Hey June Ambrose, we see you rocking that Marc Jacobs. Miss Tiana Taylor wearing Mogler. Miss Blige wearing Alberta Ferretti. Migos rocking a custom pastel suits. Sierra wearing John Paul Gaultier. Check out Tammy Franklin wearing Stephen Gadu. And last, our host, Miss Regina Hall wearing Kong Tree. So guys, be sure to tell me what your favorite was from the BET Awards down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching.